Welcome to Advanced DO-178C Training Workshop, powered by Tonex.com. Advanced DO-178C is one of the popular course in aerospace and defense engineering technology. Advanced DO-178 Training Workshop plans to cover every one of the aspects of DO-178C rule, and also its beneficial gauges. You will be introduced to the theory, basis, and history behind DO-178C and will find out about the strategies and techniques required to create and execute it in your association. Advanced DO-178C Training Workshop covers the fundamental thoughts behind DO-178B/C avionics certification. It additionally audits the differences between DO-178B and DO-178C. Training objectives. See every one of the parts of DO-178C. Articulate the differences of DO-178B and DO-178C. Discuss the background and development way of DO-178C. Comprehend the DO-178C software lifecycle display. Clarify the constituent processes of DO-178C. Discuss the typical entanglements and issues associated with DO-178C. Apply the expected strategies to create and actualize DO-178C. Utilize the accepted procedures appropriate for their association. Conduct process arranging. Expand condition considerations. Discuss the prerequisites and architecture. Play out the software verification process. Decide considerations, memory utilization, worst case execution time, language semantics, etc. Comprehend and execute the DO-178C enhancements. Apply instrument qualification. Course outline. Overview of DO-178C. Overview of aviation systems. Overview of DO-178C software. DO-178C certification concerns. DO-178C software lifecycle process. DO-178C data lifecycle. Additional deliberations. DO-178C software levels. Software planning process. Verification process development. Configuration management process, CMP. DO-178C supplements standards. DO-330 software tool qualification considerations. DO-331 model-based development and verification supplement. DO-332 object-oriented technology, OOT. DO-333 formal methods supplement. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.